Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a free trial in Stripe for the customer to try your product before buying. So let's start. First of all, make sure to log in with your correct credentials. After that, go to the plus button top right corner, select create. After that, select subscription. Once you get redirected to this page, you just need to fill the necessary information right here, the product, price, etc. Now, this is the most important field. In the free trial days, make sure to select add trial days. Make sure to precise how many days you want the trial to last. Usually it's 14 days. To be more professional, you need to check if you want, of course, pause or cancel if free trial ends without a payment method. I usually select cancel immediately to ensure that the customer will buy the product if he is satisfied. Now, this is the most important thing you need to do. You can figure the other things out yourself. After that, you need to select create subscription, and that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.